Here are 50 sentences using you should. These sentences show how you should is used to give advice, recommendations, or suggestions. 1. You should drink more water every day. 2. You should try this new restaurant downtown. 3. You should take a break and relax. 4. You should apologize if you made a mistake. 5. You should get enough sleep to stay healthy. 6. You should exercise regularly to keep fit. 7. You should listen to their concerns carefully. 8. You should wear a jacket, it's cold outside. 9. You should visit the museum when you have time. 10. You should read this book, it's amazing. 11. You should call your parents more often. 12. You should always keep your promises. 13. You should save money for emergencies. 14. You should study harder for the upcoming exam. 15. You should speak up if you don't agree. 16. You should clean your room regularly. 17. You should be honest with your friends. 18. You should try cooking something new. 19. You should ask for help if you need it. 20. You should start working on your project early. 21. You should explore more hobbies to find your passion. 22. You should avoid junk food for better health. 23. You should wear sunscreen when going out in the sun. 24. You should be proud of your accomplishments. 25. You should consider volunteering in your community. 26. You should trust your instincts. 27. You should spend more time with your loved ones. 28. You should review your notes before the test. 29. You should visit the doctor for a checkup. 30. You should try to be more patient. 31. You should learn how to manage your time effectively. 32. You should take a vacation to recharge. 33. You should avoid procrastination. 34. You should take care of your mental health. 35. You should share your ideas during the meeting. 36. You should invest in learning new skills. 37. You should organize your workspace for better productivity. 38. You should spend less time on social media. 39. You should always double-check your work. 40. You should forgive others to move on. 41. You should thank people for their help. 42. You should try meditation for relaxation. 43. You should explore new career opportunities. 44. You should be confident in your abilities. 45. You should visit the countryside for a peaceful getaway. 46. You should practice speaking in public. 47. You should learn to cook your favorite dishes. 48. You should celebrate your small victories. 49. You should follow up on your job applications. 50. You should focus on the positive side of things.